Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel with a brand new video. I am Shrutipta, your host. Today we are going to discuss about a new expert advisor that is called Broker Killer version 2.0. As you can see that our backtested team has already tested this and has seen the graphs also. So this is our YouTube channel, guys. Your Forex Premium, where you can see the most of the expert advisors are provided. All the recent expert advisors are also provided here. As you can see, we have more than 1400 members in this group. Thanks to you guys who have subscribed to our Telegram channel. Thank you for your support. So without any further delay, let's check how this expert advisor is working. The name is Broker Killer version 2.2. So let's open Google, search for the case history for this expert advisor. As you can see that this expert advisor works with the currency of USD CHF with the time frame of M5. So it is the setting what we have to remember, USD CHF and M5. Here are also some graphs are also provided in this website about this expert advisor. Here the blue line is denoting the balance and the green line is denoting the equity, and as per the graph which is provided in this website, we can see that the graph is continuously going upwards. That means that it gains the maximum profit here. Let's check if this expert advisor has any other settings also. No, they didn't provide any other settings. This EA doesn't have any DLL and martingale. It can help you to pass the FTMO MFF and prop firm test very easily. Let's check if this expert advisor have any MyFX book result, then we can get the proper case study about this expert advisor. Broker Killer expert advisor MyFX book. So let's check from MyFX book result. They didn't provide much of this. They took the leverage of 1:30. They didn't provide much details about this. So let's go for the back testing, guys. So we will open our folder here. So if you want to download this expert advisor, what we have to do, we have to go for our website, that is yoforex.org.in, then Broker Killer. Broker Killer we have to search here. This EA didn't update it in our website. If you want to purchase this website, contact with us directly through our your Telegram channel, Your Forex Premium. DM us to purchase, then we will provide the link of this EA. Let's check our membership. We have two types of membership, Premium VIP 1 and the VIP 1. Premium on 259. I will suggest you to purchase the premium. Go for the premium VIP. You will get each and every EA free of cost. If you were to go for VIP membership also, that is also fine, but you won't get each and every EA free of cost, but you will get 60% off on each EAs. If you purchase our premium membership, then we will include you in our Your Forex VIP group. All the EAs are provided here. These are very recent EAs. We have 84 VIP members who are getting all these EAs free of cost. Let's go for the back testing. It is running on MetaTrader 4. We have to open MT4 here. Then we have to go for the files, open data folder, and then MQL4 experts and paste it. Broker Killer version 2.2 is successfully pasted here. Choose the currency, that is USD CHF. Select the time frame. As per the recommended setting, the time frame was M5. Refresh the expert advisor from the navigator. Let's refresh it. You can see the Broker Killer is available here. We have to drag it here, allow modification and signal setting, then press OK. It is running nicely here. We can see the smiley. Select Ctrl plus R, get the common modification option, select Broker Killer, then USD CHF and every tick. The settings here, it doesn't have any set files. If set files, go to export properties, then imports, then we have to load the set file here. We not need to load anything here, then we can start. The graph is working nicely. It has already showing the SLNTP, so the graph loading is successful. Let's check for the result. As we can see that I have $1000 as my deposit, but the total profit was, let's check for the profit. We get the profits also. Oh, very good. With the TP of 12, the TP of 0.9028, I got the profit of 10.58%. That is a good profit. Let's check for the reports, graphs. As you can see, on this initial time, the graph was continuously going simultaneously. The blue and green graph, as you can see, the blue graph is for the balance and the green one is for the equity. Then it goes down. So if we take the time frame of in 15 or something like that, then maybe we can see the long term effect of this EA. Let's check the report. In the report we can see that the gross profit was 42.64. The initial deposit was 1000 and maximum drawdown was 804.63, that is 77.54%. That is a huge drawdown actually. If I say honestly, then profit trades was 21, loss trade was 13. So this is a good and trustworthy EA. If you take the trades properly, this EA can help you very nicely. We should go for the recommended settings also, which is the currency of USD CHF and the time frame of M5. So that's it guys. Hope you all like this video. If you have any queries, then you can contact with us directly with our Telegram channel, as I show you before also, that is EO Forex Premium. We are available for you 24/7. You can directly purchase any expert advisor from our website or DM through our Telegram. Then we can help you to get the expert advisors also. Bye bye. Keep trading. Be happy.